In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a period in Xero. Closing a period in Xero is an essential financial practice to ensure your accounting records remain accurate and untouched after final adjustments have been made. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Xero website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, which is the central hub for all your accounting management. From here, look for the menu at the top and click on Accounting. This will bring a drop-down menu where you'll need to click on Accounting Settings. You can think of this section as the control center for establishing financial parameters and securing your records. Upon entering the Accounting Settings page, your next step is to navigate to Financial Settings. This section is crucial as it houses all the configuration options for your financial data. Within this menu, you'll find the Lock Dates option. The Lock Dates feature is crucial for preventing any accidental changes or unwanted edits to finalize transactions. It's particularly useful at the end of a financial period after your accounts have been reviewed and corrections have been completed. Once you've located the Lock Dates option, the next thing you need to do is select a date. When selecting the date, consider setting it just after the final day of your accounting period. This ensures that all transactions within that period are protected from further edits. You'll want to be precise here, as this date will determine from which point your users can no longer make changes to the records. For many, this could be the end of a fiscal quarter or year. Furthermore, you also have the option to set a date by which you want to stop all users from making changes on and before a specific date. This can be particularly useful if you have a cutoff point beyond which all data needs to remain static for auditing or reporting purposes. Setting this date will add another layer of protection and prevent any discrepancies in your accounting records. And there you have it, a simple yet highly effective way to secure your financial data by closing a period in Xero. Remember, locking your dates is an integral part of financial management and should be regularly practiced to maintain the integrity of your financial reports. Thanks for watching, and be sure to secure those financial periods in your Xero account.